गलगोटियाज और वीवो का MOU किस पर बेस्ड है, क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स उससे स्टूडेंट्स को हो सकते हैं?
So the purpose of having this MOU was to have a more satisfaction, more retention of students. Major thing that is important is the personality or the communication skills. So this part is very good, and universities are more. This university is more focusing to enhance their personality, to enhance their communication skills. So this is a good part, I can say.
Hello everyone, this is Arav Gupta from Galgotias University and I am very excited to announce that आज हमारे साथ है दक्ष सर from Vivo. सर, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका यहाँ का अभी तक?
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा रहा गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ। पहले भी हमने काफ़ी विजिट्स किए हैं और 2 महीने पहले we signed MOU with the university as well. So overall experience was good.
सर, गलगोटियाज और वीवो का MOU किस पर बेस्ड है, क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स उससे स्टूडेंट्स को हो सकते हैं?
So the purpose of having this MOU was to have a more satisfaction, more retention of students. Like अभी कोई बच्चा है, कोई student है, if he get offer from Vivo, he join Vivo, but later somewhere he feel that this is not a kind of interest level of mine. So we want to have an interaction with the students first, so that there should be an understanding what Vivo is all about, what we are manufacturing, how we are manufacturing, what is the experience we want to give to the student. So this is very important thing. Considering this thing in mind, we initiated this program. Now what we will have, we will invite the students for the factory visit to have a practical exposure, what we are producing, how we are producing, what processes or technologies we are using. And then later on, we will invite some technical experts in the university and give them some lectures about the processes part, and then we will offer internship to the students. And on later stage, maybe if student find that this company is good for me, then he or she can choose. And company also can find good students as a talent for a potential leaders. So this is the only purpose we have.
Yeah, nice. Sir, Vivo often visit Galgotias University for
Yes,
placements.
yes.
मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा क्या अलग लगता है आपको गलगोटियास के स्टूडेंट्स में?
Alag, like if we talk about the major thing that is important is the personality or the communication skills. So this part is very good, and universities are more. This university is more focusing to enhance their personality, to enhance their communication skills. So this is a good part, I can say.
सर, जो आपने प्रोग्राम करा, जो आपने आज स्पीच दी थी, सेमिनार था, वो कैसा था, किसके अबाउट था?
So this was the introductory session. Like we initiated this project, so we explained students about the complete journey or the plan. What are the benefits to the students, to the university, and to the organization related to this? And we also invited some of our technical experts who talked about the technology, the processes, the team introduction, etc.
सर, लेट्स सपोज मैं गलगोटियास में पढ़ रहा हूँ और वीवो की कंपनी की मैं प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव में बैठ रहा हूँ, मेरे को क्या क्या चीज़ें प्रिपेयर करनी चाहिए जिससे मैं वो सक्सेसफुल ड्राइव दे पाऊँ?
So सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो है किसी भी कैंडिडेट के लिए, स्टूडेंट के लिए, टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द कंपनी, what company is all about, right? In every interview, we generally ask, what do you know about Vivo? So this is very important. Second is, you got 90% marks, 95% marks, this is okay, but how you present yourself is also very important. You have good idea, but you are not able to explain, then you will not be selected for any company, I can say. So these 2-3 things are important. Third is the positive attitude. Person should have a positive and learning attitude, because this is our core value, that continuous learning. So we are promoting to upgrade yourself time to time, learn more and more in the market. So this is very important.
सर, आप अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स को क्या एडवाइसेस देना चाहोगे लास्टली?
So my advice to the student first is obviously like they should keep upgrading themselves. take these sessions very seriously, because when we started our career, no such kind of opportunities was there, but now so many opportunities are there in the market. So explore more and more. Make your presence and utilize social media in a good manner. Create your LinkedIn profile, content creating, explore your interest level. So these things are very important to enhance the personality.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It was an amazing
Thank you so much.
conversation with you.
Thank you.